Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I still think it's very clear this is a 1-2 and we're currently in a wave 3. I definitely don't even see any reason to think the wave 3 is over. I think that this needs to go to about the $2,550 area just to finish off this wave 3. Now this is the monthly, so that's going to take a very long time to play out. So going down to the weekly time frame, I think this is the wave 1 on the monthly, the wave 2 on the monthly. That means that we're currently in a wave 3. And then I think we can see the subdivisions of that wave 3. This is a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and this is a wave 3 of 3, which means that we're currently in a wave 3 of 3, and a wave 3 should be the strongest wave of a trend. So a wave 3 of 3 should be even stronger. Taking it down to the daily time frame, I mean, this thing is for sure still in an uptrend. It is stretched out quite a bit, but that definitely doesn't mean that I'm looking for shorts. Instead, I'm looking for longs on shorter time frames until these higher time frames tell me otherwise. Taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we definitely had a pretty decent little push down today, which is why I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last series of higher highs, higher lows. This move up right here is very likely, or this move down is very likely to be a correction to this last push up. So that tells me that I'm definitely looking for 3 waves down. I'm looking for a Fibonacci bounce for an entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I would assume that this is going to make a correction probably for at least a couple days. This is probably only a wave A. Maybe it's going to make a wave B. We do have non-farm payroll later on this week, so maybe it's just going to make an ABC correction prior to the non-farm payroll and end up continuing the uptrend. Now, like I keep saying in my videos, this is a wave 3 of 3, and what happens in a wave 3 of 3 is it just ends up making pullbacks and continuations of the uptrend. So, I mean, it may not even make a big correction like this, so if you are looking for shorts, definitely make sure you're very cautious, because I think that the better, the safer, and the more profitable entries are definitely going to be going long at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thank you and happy trading.